Today, got a new exhaust for the STi.
Now the Noble exhaust that I have currently on the car, it's titanium, it's single exit, it's got no resonator, it is super loud.
But ever since I went equal length headers and bigger turbo and downpipe, it's gotten a little bit rowdy. And by rowdy, I mean it drones a lot. Like this car on the freeway is unbearable. So today, we're gonna try to fix that, but also keep the 90s JDM kind of single exit vibe with this car, because that's the reason why I love the single exit, is all the cars that I grew up liking all had a single exit. I spent a lot of time trying to find the right exhaust to not only bring the noise level down a little bit, but still keep that look and feel that I liked. The Tomei is another good option, but it's titanium and it's gonna be just as loud as the current exhaust we have. So I decided to try an exhaust that I haven't really seen before. I've actually never seen it ever, to be perfectly honest. And that is the GReddy Trust system. GReddy is a pretty signature JDM brand, and this exhaust has a couple of features that I haven't seen on a lot of other exhausts, so I'm super excited to try it.
So here's the full system. It is a stainless exhaust, but I think that will help in the case of our equal length headers.
I think that sometimes with an equal length header and the titanium, it has, titanium is naturally gonna have a raspier sound to it, but I think the stainless, along with this resonator right here, this external resonator, it's got like a specific name for it, but this is to help combat some of the unwanted drone. I think this will be a super clean, deep sounding exhaust.
So here we have both exhausts side by side. You can tell they're pretty much built the exact same way. This resonator right here, I think, is going to help a lot with the tone and the rasp of this exhaust. Also,
this truss tip is super sick. You can adjust like how far it sits in and out. And the logo on it is pretty awesome.
Don't get me wrong, the Noble exhaust, this titanium exhaust, is an amazing exhaust.
It was my favorite exhaust by far on the stock car with the stock downpipe, but when you go to the 3-inch full downpipe and a bigger turbo, it's a little much. I know there's some people out there that would disagree with me, but for something especially that is daily driven all the time, I wanted to mellow it out just a little bit.
There it is.
The whole system fits super well. There's one thing I'm concerned about down there at the downpipe. It does come down to 2¼ inch off that 3, which is what the downpipe is. I think that the 2¼ is meant for the stock downpipe, so not a huge deal, but I would have liked to have seen it to be full 3-inch back, because it does taper up to 3-inch right here, and then 3-inch all the way to the muffler.
I still have to adjust the tip, but so far fitment is superb. It went on without any hassle.
So let's hear how it sounds. It's a lot deeper, way deeper than the titanium. That's crazy how much of a difference it makes. I have a feeling it's gonna mellow out pretty well too. I mean, it's cold start, so it's gonna be loud. Right off the bat, I know that this is gonna be a lot quieter, which is good, that's what I wanted, even without the silencer.
deep, there's no drone. Like normally with the other exhaust, there would be so much unbearable drone right now. This is really nice. No, it sounds really good. I definitely need to have someone else drive this car so I can hear it from the outside, because I just watched the playback of those flyby clips and it sounds so good. It's like the perfect volume for this car. The perfect sound, perfect tone, perfect volume. Did the titanium exhaust sound a little bit more like exotic and raspy and I don't know, it did sound different, yes, but I think this exhaust sounds just as good in like a different way. I don't know, it's just cleaner. And I really think that the EJs with an equal length header, sometimes they don't sound the best. Obviously everyone loves like the Subaru Rumble, which I care less about the rumble part and more about like the tone and the rasp and stuff like that. And sometimes on different exhausts with the equal length, they just have like this like super Honda Racer sound. It just doesn't like, I don't know. But I think this sounds really good. It honestly doesn't even matter anyways a lot of the time, because once that wastegate opens, like you guys heard, you can't even hear it at all. So, well guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Let me know what you guys think of the new exhaust. I think it sounds good, but drop a comment down below. What do you guys think of the GReddy Trust TR exhaust? I think I'm gonna wrap up this video, but I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you in the next one.